Hello everyone, my name is Iman and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create full width and full height page sections in Elementor. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. As you can see, we are looking at my website and you can see it is full height and full width page over here. This is the section which I have created, and if you scroll down, you can see I have created one more over here, which is this one. You can see on the left side, on the right side, it is full width. I didn't want it to be on the height, but obviously you can also do that. So let's get started how you can do it. So for this tutorial, I'm going for a new page so you can see how it's done. You can add container from over here and obviously from over here as well. So I'm going to do this. And once you click on that, you will see on the left side, we have some properties for the container. You can select these three dots to get these properties. On the right side, we have some content width over here where you can enter your content like image and everything over here. But obviously we want this full width, right? So it's very easy. On the left side, we have content width. Don't change this. Just play with this scale. And you can see on the right side, we have maxed it out. And if you want to go for the height, we can also do that. Just click on minimum height and we can expand it as much as you want. So right now it's all on my full page. So let's see what can I add on this page. I'm gonna add a gradient color over here so you can see that it is on my full page. Go to style, click on gradient. I'm going with the primary, and as you can see, this is all on my full height and full page. If I close this one, this is how you can do it. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.